How to enable others to post on your timeline on Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus back with another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how you can enable your friends to post on your timeline on Facebook. Now let's get started. First, open up your Facebook. After you open your Facebook, go to the menu that's on the bottom right. After you go to the menu section, tap on the settings on the top right, or just scroll down and go to settings and privacy and then settings. After you are there, scroll down and under audience and visibility you will see profile and tagging. Tap on it and right there you will see viewing and sharing. Now here you will see the option that says who can post on your profile. Now here just choose your friends and others will be able to post on your timeline too. Now if you don't want them to post, just tap on only me, and yeah, that is basically it. So just make sure your friends are able to post on your profile and then they can post on your timeline. So that is basically it for this video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye.